Hello, I was trying to update my Arch Linux system. There was an update for grub, the bootloader, and there are some commands that we need to run after updating it as a package. They need to be run in order to have the newer version of grub working. It says here that to use the new features provided in this grub update, it is recommended to install it to the MBR or UEFI, etc. So the commands that need to be run are grub install and grub mkconfig. Let's run them together. The first one is grub install and the disk where we want to do it, whether it's an SSD or a regular hard drive, HDD. Mine is /dev/sda. You should know yours. You may need to know it by running the command lsblk. As you can see, it's /dev/sda. So we run the first command /dev/sda. Password. As you saw, I was having an error which says that it doesn't find the EFI directory. Sometimes when you run grub install like this, sudo grub install /dev/sda, it works out of the box even if you are using UEFI. For some distributions, you may need to specify target, this one, target, like this. Let me type it here. You type this one in case you're using UEFI, which is associated with GPT. GPT is the disk table that's associated with this one. Sometimes it's still not enough. I tried to run the command like this. I can run it in front of you as you see, and it says that it cannot find the EFI directory. So this one is still not enough when we add this argument. The solution to it is to run it with this argument. In case you're using MBR or BIOS, MBR and BIOS are associated to each other, and GPT and UEFI are associated to each other. Grub install without any argument with the disk only, like this, should work. Otherwise, you may need to specify this one. Yes, you may need to run this command like this. I tried to run it thinking that I have BIOS, but since I have GPT, which can only be with UEFI, it spat out an error. So the command for me was this one, and with this argument, let me make it complete, and then here is the right command. Type it this way if you're using UEFI. If you're using, pause the video, type it this way before I take you to the other command, which is for BIOS. Now I take you to the other command, which is for BIOS, which should be this one. Oh, sorry. Yes, this is for BIOS. If you're using BIOS, you type this command to install grub to the disk. It's installed as a package on your system or updated. If you want to use the newly installed or the newly updated version, you run this command for BIOS under Arch Linux, of course, and you run this command for EFI, whichever it is. If in case it's spat an error when you run it with this one, use this one, despite sometimes not needing to specify this argument. The next command is this one, grub mkconfig -o /boot /grub/grub.cfg. This is similar to update grub under Debian and Ubuntu. In case you didn't run these commands after you got your grub package updated, your system will keep working, but without the newer grub version. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and see you.